Hey guys, in today's video I'll be reviewing the top 8 best electric brooms. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to rank them based on their quality, durability, customer reviews, and more. If you want to know about the best pricing and more information, you can check the description links below. Number 8 in my list is Shark IZ662H electric broom. Cordless vacuum users sometimes get frustrated with short battery life, but that's not a problem with the Shark Vertex Pro vacuum. This vacuum can work for 60 minutes on a single charge when using eco mode. If you need more power, it can go for up to 20 minutes in boost mode, which is great for cleaning up cooking messes or busy areas. The vacuum has a user-friendly LED display that helps you switch between cleaning modes easily. This ensures you have the right suction power for different cleaning situations. Its slim design and low profile allow it to slide effortlessly under furniture and into small spaces. One cool feature of this vacuum is its brush roll. Unlike many vacuums, it doesn't have bristles. Instead, it uses flexible silicone fins to deep clean carpets without getting hair trapped. This makes it perfect for homes with area rugs that might be damaged by traditional bristles. Number 7 in my list is Orfeld electric broom. You can easily keep your hardwood floors clean using Orfeld's cordless electric broom. When there's a mess, just grab the broom from its wall-mounted charger and start cleaning. This model is light, weighing only 4.5 pounds, so it's easy to push around. It's also much quieter than some other vacuums made for hardwood floors. The broom is light, easy to move, and has strong suction, so dirt and dust don't have a chance to stay. An LED light on the front helps you see and find any hidden dirt. The broom has a special filter that captures almost 100% of tiny dust and particles, making the air cleaner. To keep the suction strong, remember to clean the filter. This electric broom is not just for hardwood floors. You can use it on other kinds of floors, and you can even turn it into a handheld vacuum to clean tricky places. The battery works for up to 30 minutes without losing power, which should be enough for most homes. Number 6 in my list is Hoover Pet Cordless Small Electric Broom. Hoover's electric broom makes cleaning large areas easier and faster. It has a bigger dirt container than other electric brooms, so you don't have to stop and empty it as often. This is great for big homes and busy people who want to save time and effort. You can use this broom on low-pile carpet or hard floors. It's really good at getting rid of both dirt that's on the surface and dirt that's deep down. You won't have to go over the same spot many times. To clean different floors, you can change the settings to make the suction stronger. The broom isn't heavy, weighing less than 9 pounds. It moves easily around rooms because of its special steering and strong airflow. It also has a filter that keeps things clean. The brush roll can be taken off and helps clean better and faster. The battery lasts for 35 minutes, but since the broom cleans so well, you'll finish faster. Number 5 in my list is Bissell 28806 electric broom. Cordless electric brooms don't need to cost a lot to do a good job. Bissell's electric broom costs much less than other brands, but still cleans up dry messes on hard floors and low-pile carpets. It's affordable because it's designed to clean dirt, dust, and dry messes well. It weighs only 5 pounds and has strong suction, which saves the battery and runs for 60 minutes. The brush on the head is powered and makes dirt loosen up, so it's easy to suck into the dirt cup without going over and over the same spot. The broom can swivel at the bottom and has rubber wheels that glide smoothly, helping it reach tight spots without much work. It works quietly, so it won't bother anyone while cleaning. This electric broom is really impressive for the price. We were surprised when it got pet hair out of a rug that hadn't been cleaned in 5 days. It also picked up big pieces of dog food and was easy to move in small kitchen corners. Bagged upright vacuum is great for cleaning many homes and an especially good choice for people with allergies or asthma. The HEPA filter catches 99.9% of dust, dirt, and debris. A sealed bag also stops dust and allergens from getting out when you clean, which can sometimes happen when you empty a dirt container. This vacuum works on all floors like carpets, wood, or tiles. Just change the mode with a button. The LED lights help you see even tiny bits of dirt. The big 13-inch cleaning head makes cleaning the whole house quick and easy, though it might not fit in small spots like between the toilet and the wall. Number 3 in my list is Eureka NEC180 electric broom. This cordless electric broom is made for everyday life. It's a little more than 5 pounds heavy and runs for up to 40 minutes without getting weak. It cleans all kinds of floors, like hardwood or low-pile rugs. To make it suck better on carpets, press the button on the handle for max power. The broom has LED lights, so you can find dirt even in dark spots under tables and furniture. The flat head helps you reach hard places, even under beds and nightstands. After you use the electric broom, the cyclone system inside catches dirt and dust, so the air in the room is cleaner. If you need to stop cleaning for a bit, there's a spot to put the broom by a counter, sofa, or table. Number 2 in my list is Bissell Feather Weight Electric Broom. Bissell, a company experienced in making home cleaning tools, has created a light stick vacuum with a modern and simple design. Many people like using this electric broom at an affordable price. It can turn into a handheld vacuum, making home cleaning more convenient. The compact design of the Bissell stick vacuum makes home cleaning easier. The floor brush is great for low-pile rugs and hardwood floors. Weighing just 3 pounds, it's easy to clean your home daily and remove dust and pet hair. Converting it to a handheld vacuum is simple, and attaching the crevice tool lets you clean upholstery, corners, and even your car. The bagless design is a plus, and the 0.67-liter dust cup is easy to clean and holds a good amount of dirt. Number 1 in my list is Bissell 2880A electric broom. Bissell is well known in the USA for making affordable and effective floor cleaners. The Bissell Perfect Sweep Turbo 28806 is another great example. People really like how simple it is to clean up small messes with this sweeper. It's light and easy to move around, and the bendable part in the handle helps you reach under furniture. Some users have mentioned that the nickel battery doesn't last very long, but you can make it better by using up all the battery's power before charging it again. Alright guys, this we are today's video. If you find this video helpful for you, then like the video, and if you come to our channel first time, then hit the subscribe button for amazing incoming videos. Be sure to check out the link in the description for updated price of all the products discussed in this video. Hope you have a great day and see you soon in the next video.